Guys, I'm here to introduce to you a new product from the PlaceWiz company in Korea. This is our hinge stand. It's made out of aluminum and it's supplied by anodizing. The hinge stand is suitable for the Galaxy Tab, iPad 1, 2, and tablet PC and notebook. And as you can see, it's easily adjustable to any angle. Very easy to use. And with the hinge technology, you get freedom of motion, freedom of movement to adjust at any angle you'd like. So I'll demonstrate now with the iPad. As you can see, this makes it so much easier to use, more comfortable to use at your desk or if you're out in public with this portable hinge stand. And as I adjust it, you just adjust it to your comfort level. And not only that, you could also use it for your iPhone as well. So I'll adjust it like that, flip it like that, and just place my iPhone up like that. And this product is really great for the notebook. So sometimes when you're at your desk, you want to get eye level to your screen, but with this product, you'll be more comfortable to use your notebook at your desk. Your neck won't hurt, and you have a better angle to the monitor. So I could just adjust it as well. That. And these are suitable for other 7 to 10 inch tablet PCs as well as the iPad as well. And this cloth, the carrying case, is made out of a fabric pouch. It is a fabric pouch, and it's a non-scratch fabric pouch, so it's good to clean your screens without worrying about scratching it. And it's easy to carry around. I'll just put it back in my pouch and just take it anywhere. So this is the hinge stand. Hope you guys like it.